Hello everyone, it's Steve from OysterGro, and I just want to give you a quick technical overview of the next size up in our hybrid shift range, the Pro-Compact. The Pro-Compact is the first of our double stack system. So double stack meaning you have one bag on top of the other, but compact because it's only two bag cells side by side. So easy to handle, but you're again increasing capacity that little bit more because you're getting 4 bags to grow your oysters with. So like all the hybrid shifts, the Pro-Compact is built with 1/2 inch aluminum round bar with square 1-inch tubular bar at the ends, which is giving you a lot of structural integrity, stopping you from twisting, things like that. The material we've selected is highly engineered and unique to us, a very high temper material which is giving you a lot more strength, which strength gives you longevity. You're making an investment in equipment, you want it to last. So ensuring we engineer the products in the correct way just gives you that peace of mind that you're going to have something that's going to give you a long service, which at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. You're spending your money, you want things to last. So let's get into the details a little bit. So your bags are basically contained by one of our standard gaiters. So basically giving you a mechanical lock, nice and easy to use. So one bag comes out, full size OysterGro bags, 2 bag, same again. And then, as I mentioned, we've got a shelf separated. So the shelf's giving you a few features here. Number one, from an oyster's point of view, is basically you're separating your bags, so you're getting good water flow going between the bags, which is getting that nutrient to your oysters. Flow, nutrient, that's what your oysters are feeding on, so which is basically helping you have a more uniform and consistent growth throughout the cage. So the other part of the shelf and what it's here for within the hybrid shift is essentially, obviously we've got a formed structure, but the shelf is actually bolted through from one side of the cage to the other. So what that's doing is that's giving you basically a high tensile effect structure. So when you're pulling from the seafloor and bringing your equipment up, basically rather than any risk or concerns of bending the equipment, basically all that stress is being carried straight through these flat flars, giving you a lot more rigidity and giving you structure that's just going to take the load again and again and again without having any concerns. So that's what the shelves are all about. So again, bags going in, nice and easy to use, bags slide in, full containment. So we've got 2 polymer dividers, so there's no way this bag can go from one side to the other. At the back we've got full bar containment at the back as well, which is interlocked, so no movement there whatsoever. And at the sides we've got these 2 1-inch tubes that are sistered next to each other and basically caged in with 3 on the underside aluminum round bars for your outers for your structural integrity, 4 on the top, and the 4 on the top is not only for where you're attaching your float, but this is what's giving you your good separation on your bridle attachment. So where you're attaching your bridles, you're getting a nice wide stance, which is basically giving you a lot of stability when you're in the water on your site. So your bridles, 1 at each end. The bridles are actually attaching to your laterals, attaching to the main line, and that's basically going all the way through to your anchors, making sure that your equipment is locked and stays where you need it to. Again, you've got a lot of investment in this equipment and you want to make sure that you have redundancy in the system. So 2 attachment points, if there ever is a failure, there's nothing to worry about. So that just gives you a quick overview of the Pro-Compact in the hybrid shift offering. And if you've got more questions or you want to find out more about the system, by all means give us a call on the number that will be listed below or drop us a line on the email. Enjoy your day.